What is up, gamers? It's Gunpla time! Who's excited? Hi, everybody. I hope you are all doing really well. Alright, so today we are building another Witch from Mercury kit. These have been really good. I expect this one to also be really good. It's from the prologue, but it's got such an awesome design. Yeah, does anybody know how to pronounce it? Is it French? Is it the Beguir-Beu or something like that? Wait, this is his whole head? Look how flat this dude's head is. He's like a lizard. I love him. He's adorable. Okay, so this is interesting. It uses a lot of like slot connections, if that makes sense. You can kind of see the rectangles there, instead of like just traditional pegs, which I like a little bit better. Oh, look at this slutty waist, chat room. I have a feeling we're gonna make ourselves a breedable Gundam at this rate. How's Witch from Mercury? It's very good. It's also only 25 episodes, unfortunately, but it does mean it's a little bit more bingeable. But I would highly recommend it. Oh, we finished the body. I don't know, chat room. Let's just say if I looked like this, my two favorite adjectives would be submissive and breedable, but... Pretty simple arm, but I love the color scheme. This like soft lavender is so pretty. Ooh, yes, I like this guy. He's very sharp and insect-coated. I adore him. He's cool. Oh, look at our cool little guy! He looks so badass. Look at our little buggy boy. So cute. Beguir-Beu, Beguir-Beu, Beguir-Beu. This one. The Witch for Mercury kit. I have very much enjoyed Witch for Mercury kits, and this one is no exception. This one is really cool, and as an added bonus, it's got kind of an insect-inspired design, which is one of my favorite things to see in cool robots. Overall, this is a great high-grade Witch for Mercury kit. It is pretty much the same kind of construction as every other Witch for Mercury kit, high-grade. There's no big waist piece here, and there's C-clips for the legs and the arms, the elbows specifically, but it is still a really good kit. It'll be fun to display. I actually like the design of this one well enough that I might even panel line it and give it a little special treatment, but overall, this is a very, very cool kit, and I highly recommend it, and it's fairly affordably priced. Although I can't remember how widely the distribution for this was. I hope they're still around. If they're not, I apologize. But it is very cool. As with every Witch for Mercury kit, I can heavily endorse it, and this one doesn't even have a lot of stickers like the fucking Calibarn did, so that makes it even better in my book. Highly recommend it. It's very cool.